like you. Be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one.
Hi guys, I'm Gautam and I'm going to take a known it November challenge for my physical transformation, and this is day 1 and this is how I look now.
I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed. Life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero.
Hey guys, it's been a week now after I started my known at November challenge. In addition to my body weight workout, I am in a caloric deficit diet, and this is how I look now.
Your superhero. 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 Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy.
Hello guys, it's been 2 weeks now in my known at November challenge, and I am feeling motivated more than ever, and I have started weight training with some bricks and buckets lying around my house, and I have been training for 2 times per day. This is how I look now, and see you next week.
Superhero. 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 Can I be your superhero?
Hey guys, it's been 3 weeks in my known at November challenge, and it was a bit of tough and I lost my focus in some points, but I got myself together to stay in this challenge, and this is my last week, so I'm going to decrease my calories and increase my protein intake, and in addition to that I'm going to increase both of my weight training and cardio session to get ripped as possible at the end of the month. And this is 22nd of November, and this is how I look now, and see you in end of this challenge. Peace.
Dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow.
guys, it's 30th of November. 4 weeks, a whole month in my No Nut November challenge. I am feeling proud of myself and I look good, I feel good, and I am motivated more than ever to do more stuffs because the NoFap challenge. The first 2 weeks were really tough. I got myself together to stay in the challenge. Here I am, 30 days without fapping, and I took my physique update the last day. Physique update outside my house because I'm in the best shape of my life. The lighting is way better than my room. So here's how I look now, and see you guys after the clip. As you can see in that clip, I have transformed my body way better than my first day, and I have lost more fat and I packed more muscle in just 30 days. Not gonna lie, it was kinda tough. I lost motivation to work out some days and I lost focus on my NoFap challenge. But I made my mind to stay in this challenge because after 2 weeks, my motivation levels were increasing, and my transformation is not only about the workouts and my NoFap challenge. I got myself into a strict diet. If you guys wanna know, I will make a separate video on that in coming days. So please do subscribe so you won't miss that video. I really recommend this challenge for yourself because it literally changed my mindset in a more positive way. If a 30-day can change this much, then think about being in this challenge for a year. It will change your life. And I am going to end my no shave November, but I am not gonna stop my no nut challenge. I am going to take this challenge for an year, 365 days. So be safe, be positive, and see you guys in the next video.